Forex quotes got your head spinning. Let's make sense of them, quick and easy. All right, let's dive in. A Forex quote is just a way of showing the value of one currency compared to another. Imagine you're looking at EUR USD 1.20. Here, EUR is the base currency and USD is the quote currency. This means €1 is worth 1.20 US dollars. Now, Forex quotes are always in pairs because you're buying one currency while selling another. The first one listed is the base currency, and the second is the quote currency. When the quote goes up, it means the base currency is getting stronger against the quote currency. So if EUR USD goes from 1.20 to 1.25, the euro is gaining value against the dollar. If it drops, that means the base currency is weakening. So EUR USD going from 1.20 to 1.15. The euro's taking a hit. Remember, it's all about the relationship between the two currencies. Once you get that, you're halfway to mastering Forex trading. Got it? Awesome. Now go and impress your trader friends with your newfound knowledge.